Hi. Welcome to xLR, your Excel learning resources. This video is from our 2-minute short series that focuses on quick video snippets covering basic Microsoft Excel functions. In this video, we will be covering the count function, another versatile function in the Excel's bucket of basic functions. As the name suggests, the count function is used to count the occurrences of numbers in a specified cell range. This ability to count occurrences of numbers within a specified range of cells also becomes one of the limitations of the count function, which gets fulfilled with the count function, which we have covered in a different video. The count function requires just one argument to perform its operation. Just like some of our previous videos, for the count function too, we will be using our dummy orders dataset from the fresh fruits section of our favorite supermarket. Just like the sum function, the count function too allows passing the arguments in 3 different ways. Simply entering the numbers as arguments, separated by commas, providing cells or ranges of cells as arguments, and a mixture of both, numbers as well as cells or ranges of cells. The count function can come in extremely handy when we have a data set that comprises of mixed data types, and allows to find all the numbers in the entire data set. Its versatility also comes from the fact that it can effectively be used along with other inbuilt functions in Excel. In the current demonstration, we have provided a cell range, H4 to H23, comprising of numbers as data, for the count function to perform a count operation on. Further, we are using a set of mixed arguments, providing numbers, 1, 2, 4, cells containing numbers as data, cells H4, H7, and also cells containing text data, cells I5, I8, and then a cell range, H10 to H11, to allow count do what it should. We hope this video helped you learn an Excel function to improve your knowledge of Microsoft Excel. If you found this video useful, please like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and help them learn something new and upskill.